this fabric is 56 centimeters by 32 centimeters. So what I will do, I'll fold it. Then I will take it to my machine to sew. After sewing it, I will turn it. This is the sewn line. I will flip it back like this, fold it like this. Then I will take this like this, you see. Then I'll fold it. I'll fold it like this. Then I'll take this and put it on top. Then I will pin it like this. Then I'll take it to the machine to sew this place. Then I will turn it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe on the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.